Arnab Goswami on the debate at 9. Presented by Vivo V9. Powered by Renault, Hike and Zoho One.
Good evening and welcome. One Kashmiri has spoken for 1 billion plus Indians and has hammered the Hurriyat leaders. One Kashmiri has shown the Hurriyat for what it is, a bunch of selfish opportunists who make more money each time a Kashmiri dies. Tonight on the debate, on your behalf, I will confront this secessionist lobby. On your behalf, I will confront this anti-India, anti-national lobby. And tonight we will ask them who the real Kashmiri is. The one who bleeds and dies in violence provoked by Pakistani rupees, or the one who loses his loved one and then shows a mirror to those whose lifestyles compete with Arab sheikhs, these frauds, this Hurriyat which builds a business based on blood and more blood. On your behalf, I will confront them tonight in debate number 1 coming your way 2 minutes from now tonight. Viewers, this video tells the entire story, the Kashmir versus Hurriyat video, the greatest rejection of the Hurriyat, India's #1 talking point coming your way, followed debate number 2 tonight. Sambit Patra uses Hafiz Saeed to draw an analogy between the opposition and terrorists. And another BJP leader uses the word Osama Wadi, who's attempting to consolidate what vote. Debate number 2. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines. Top of the week this Monday evening on the debate tonight.
कैसे होते हैं आपके पास बच्चे जो आपके पास आते हैं बात करते हैं सिर्फ नारेबाजी होती है हमें एक जवाब तो दीजिए लीडरशिप क्या कर रही है
One Kashmiri exposes the Hurriyat, speaks for all of India, exposes sellouts Jilani and the Hurriyat.
जबकि कैसर जिसकी 2 बहनें जिनको ये भी पता नहीं कि शहादत है क्या अब निज़ाम मुस्तफा चलाएंगे ये तो निज़ाम मुस्तफा था ही नहीं कभी
A video that has become a wake-up call tonight. Saeed's puppets are shown the mirror.
जिस पे यही गिलानी साहब जिनके लिए मैं भी किसी टाइम पे जान देने के लिए तैयार हुआ करता था
And cheated by the Azadi business. The Azadi cheats. Kashmiris completely reject the Hurriyat, and we confront the Azadi cheats on the debate tonight.
बता
16 attacks in 72 hours. Proxies unleashed bloodshed on India's Pakistan's borders. India is hitting back. BJP leaders equate the opposition to Hafiz Saeed and Osama triggered an explosive political fight. And is it an attempt to polarize and consolidate before 2019? The hottest political panel is at 10 p.m. tonight. And welcome. The video you watched through the day on Republic TV has tonight become the beginning of an uprising against Kashmir's biggest cheats and sellouts. The Hurriyat and their supporters, they're all cheats and sellouts. Each one of them has to be exposed. One man today, one Kashmiri has spoken for the entire country that has for far too long witnessed these paid puppets of Pakistan and their paid puppets in turn run their Azadi investment business and fund their uber luxurious lifestyles over the coffins of innocent Kashmiris. Tonight, Kashmir says to these fake Kashmiris, enough is enough. And tonight, let's debate.
On the debate tonight.
1 घंटे में अपनी शहादत के बाद सुपर खाक होना चाहिए उसको आपने सड़क पे नुमाइश के लिए रखा है
This image, this question,
एक जवाब तो दीजिए लीडरशिप क्या कर रही है
this video that has gone viral at a time when Kashmiris are dying is a wake-up call.
Yesterday there was stone pelting continuously time is on आँख नफर इंसान का जनाज़ा आँख नफर ना हर कोई बंद नहीं होता है we know that अच्छा हर कहाँ चीज़ पर टाइम पता नहीं युवान स्टेटमेंट देना कि सना शबीर च सान खतर रोल मॉडल जो कि डीपीएस में पढ़ती है, जिस पे यही गिलानी साहब, जिनके लिए मैं भी किसी टाइम पे जान देने के लिए तैयार हुआ करता था, जो बोलते थे क्रिश्चियन मिशनरी स्कूल्स में आप लोग अपने बच्चों को मत भेजा करें। गिलानी साहब का स्टेटमेंट है ये, एंड द सेम गिलानी साहब वही बोल रहे हैं। मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूं, और ये यूथ के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए रोल मॉडल है। जबकि कैसर जिसकी 2 बहनें, जिनको ये भी पता नहीं कि शहादत है क्या, अब निज़ाम मुस्तफा चलाएंगे। जो बंदा जो 1 घंटे में अपनी शहादत के बाद सुपर्द खाक होना चाहिए, उसको आपने सड़क पे नुमाइश के लिए रखा है। दिस इज निज़ाम मुस्तफा। ये तो निज़ाम मुस्तफा था ही नहीं। कभी रसूल करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने किसी मैयत का इंतजार नहीं करवाया ताकि आप लोगों के नाम नहाद लीडरों की, जो वो कैसे होते हैं आपके पास बच्चे, जो आपके पास आते हैं, बात करते हैं, सिर्फ नारेबाजी होती है। हमें एक जवाब तो दीजिए, लीडरशिप क्या कर रही है? उसने कब्र में कब क्या किया होगा? आपने देखा था? ऐसे लाखों लोग हैं जो डरते हैं हुर्रियत के नाम से। अब
Watch again as the family of a misled Kashmiri youth who accidentally came under CRPF's fields in Nauhata on Friday exposes Pakistan's paid puppets.
यही गिलानी साहब, जिनके लिए मैं भी किसी टाइम पे जान देने के लिए तैयार हुआ करता था। कैसर जिसकी 2 बहनें, जिनको ये भी पता नहीं कि शहादत है क्या, जो 1 घंटे में अपनी शहादत के बाद सुपर्द खाक होना चाहिए, उसको आपने सड़क पे नुमाइश के लिए रखा है। ऐसे लाखों लोग हैं जो डरते हैं हुर्रियत के नाम से। अब
Is this video a turning point in Kashmir? Let's debate.
And I tell you tonight that this is an eye-opener video. This video should be played on every channel. This video should be seen by every Kashmiri. Shouldn't it, Sushil Pandit and Shazia today? This video should be WhatsApped to each Hurriyat leader. This video should be forwarded with comments to each opportunist out there. People like Iftikhar Misgar and Namun Nabi should be sent this video tonight. And people like Shabnam Lone and John Dayal, GD Bakshi, they must be shown this video so that they realize that this money-making machinery of the Hurriyat is being exposed by Kashmiris themselves.
It's a propaganda.
What propaganda? What propaganda Kashmiri has exposed you? You shameless man!
Yes,
you call it propaganda?
I have video.
A Kashmiri has told you that you opportunists, a Kashmiri has told you that you opportunists do not even let a funeral happen. You shameless man! A Kashmiri has seen your pathetic opportunism. You have been exposed by a Kashmiri, and that's why you have no face to show. You Hafiz Saeed supporter, please be quiet. Inamun Nabi, Inamun Nabi, कितने पैसे मिले आपको? कितने पैसे मिले आपको इनामुन नबी? पाकिस्तान से कितने पैसे मिले आपको?
Dr. Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, Yasin Malik.
You have high hopes from him.
No, I don't know how much money he's being paid himself.
कितना पैसा मिलता है आपको आपकी बातें करने के लिए?
The question is today.
जिस मैन जिसका वीडियो चला रहे हैं उसने क्लियर कर दिया, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं मुझे फुल फेथ है हुर्रियत पर. If you want, I will send you video.
From him.
Have courage and run it that video. Have courage. आप तो you people are cowards. आप में हिम्मत ही नहीं होती है. ये दूसरा वीडियो है उसका जहां वो क्लियर करता है कि
these are slaves of Hurriyat.
Leadership of
They
Hurriyat.
are ideological megaphones of Hurriyat. They wear a thick hide. They have sold their souls. Their conscience is dead. You expect them to empathize with this?
ये लोग अपना माफिया चलाते हैं. ये माफिया वाले हैं. These people are mafia men. People like Inamun Nabi are supporting mafia. Maybe he's a part of one himself. The fact is they listen to me. Stop shouting. Stop shouting, Inamun Nabi. You make no sense anymore. And viewers, this Monday evening, I want to show you a picture. Oh, please shut up, sir. Please, I'm sorry to say this. With politeness, I tell you, with request you to please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Now I want to show you.
डरते हैं.
Let's shout.
They have terrorized the entire valley.
लाखों लोग हुर्रियत को
part of that
follow
video
करते हैं।
is लाखों लोग हुर्रियत से अब डरते हैं।
जब यहाँ शिकायत होती है पीपल फॉलो हुर्रियत,
लाखों लोग हुर्रियत से
बीजेपी
डरते
गवर्नमेंट
हैं।
के स्पोक्सपर्सन कहते हैं
हुर्रियत has
हुर्रियत की
terrorized
किताबें
the
पढ़े।
entire valley.
नईम अख्तर
And
जो
government of
हुर्रियत
India
जो
has
गवर्नमेंट का
abandoned that valley to
स्पोक्सपर्सन
हुर्रियत.
है, वो कहता है कि
Government of
जीवानी
India
साहब
is
की
funding
किताबें पढ़े।
हुर्रियत. Government of India is mollycoddling
Huria
Huria. The
is not
same
a
Huria that has
terrorist
बच्चों को मारने वाली हुर्रियत, this Huria, one second, I wish to come in right now and I want Iftikhar Misgar to come in. Iftikhar Misgar will debate now. Iftikhar Misgar will debate now. Iftikhar Misgar. Iftikhar, listen to me. Iftikhar.
This is an acceptable leadership by Kashmiris, overall Kashmiris. 100% I say Kashmiris have accepted this leadership and
भूलना मत इन लफ्जों को, इन लफ्जों को मत भूलना। लाखों लोग हुर्रियत से डरते हैं। आपने कश्मीर को आतंक में झोंक दिया। You have terrorized the entire valley. You hold them to a gunpoint. You have taken hostage the entire valley. The entire valley is held hostage by Huria. The entire valley is held hostage by jihad. The entire valley is held hostage by these ruffians. They are genociders.
Viewers,
they are funded by
viewers, I want to show you a picture right now. I want to show you a picture right now. And can you be quiet for God's sake? Iftikhar Misgar, enough is enough. I am fed up of you, Iftikhar. I'll show you a picture, Iftikhar, if you can be quiet for 1 minute. ये देखिए है, इनका नाम है मोहम्मद बिन कासिम। फोटो देखिए इफ्तिखार मिस्गार, फोटो देखिए, टीवी को देखिए, आज इस शाम को टीवी देखिए। लुक एट द टीवी, दिस मैन्स नेम इज मोहम्मद बिन कासिम। ये आसिया अंद्राबी का बेटा है, ये आसिया अंद्राबी का बेटा है, ये होती है इनकी। अरे चिल्लाइए मत, don't shout, be quiet. I want to ask you. Oh, shut up, please. Thank you, sir. Sorry, I don't usually say that. I'm compelled to say that. And I'm saying it politely. I'm saying it very politely.
You're a journalist, don't use word shut up.
Well, I'm being polite with you. Don't tell me what to say. I talk straight. You don't like it. You go to a channel. You listen. Both of you would be very happy. There is a journalist in our country who Hafiz Saeed said is a great journalist. You would be very happy going on her program. You would be very happy going on a program anchored by a person who got a certificate from Hafiz Saeed. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उनके प्रोग्राम में जाने के। प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है ना वहाँ पे आपको।
Every night these seditious people are given a platform to abuse this country. I think we need to throw them out now.
How many people you have killed?
All self-respecting channels should throw these traitors out.
Because it is we people who are getting killed. Shall I remind you that FIR stands registered against
Who are
you
getting
as
killed?
well?
We have seen who you were trying to kill.
For violating the human rights.
CRPF boys.
Shall I remind you?
You are trying to make no exclusion zones.
Because my people are getting killed.
I will remind you. You, Huria,
it's my people
are
whom you have
traitors.
blinded. Yes, I have
You are
to
the
shout.
supporters
Yes,
of the
I have to
Huria.
shout.
You are the
Because day in,
paid
day out,
agents.
humanity is
Every
getting killed.
night you spew venom on Indian channels. It is
Your
only
hands are
Indian
so good with the
democracy
blood of
that
Guru
suffers
Gobind Singh.
such seditious activity. I think it's come, a time has come to put a bloody halt to it. You cannot be given a national platform every night.
I will
to
say
abuse
again,
the country
viewers,
you
I say
carry,
one
whose
second to
You are a
the
traitor.
panelists
Both
sitting
of
in
you
the
are
Srinagar
traitors to
studios.
the capital.
I want to
Please.
ask a very specific question. I have an observation and then a question. Now both of you be quiet for a while. Viewers, do you think, I'm asking you a question. Do you want to say, Shazi, I'm just coming to you. I'm asking a question to the viewers. Viewers, there is a journalist in India who Hafiz Saeed says that she is a great journalist. Do you think these people would be very happy receiving fixed questions from that journalist? There is a journalist, I'm not taking names, who Hafiz Saeed says is a great journalist. It's like Osama bin Laden telling an American journalist, the American journalist, a great journalist. Like Hafiz Saeed says that this particular Lady is a great journalist. Do you feel Imam-ul-Nabi and Iftikhar Misgar would be comfortable with them? Viewers, on using this hashtag, you can tell me what. Now I want to ask a few straight questions, and Shazia, my question is to you. And after that, Shabnam Lone can come in. But my question is, Shazia. Oh, come on now, come on, Imam-ul-Nabi. Don't cross the limit with me. You know what I do when people cross the limit? You know what I do? Yeah, please. Don't take a chance with me. Wipe that smug smile off your face. You heard that? Thank you.
I think this video has come as a huge tipping point.
I think it has. Because you know what, Shazia? It is making...
And how this Kashmiri man, he has called out the Hurriyat, exposed them and shown them not just that they're anti-India, but they're anti-Kashmir, anti-Kashmiris and anti-Kashmiri kids. This man is saying, is this Nizam-e-Mustafa? The rule of the Prophet used to be a Shariat, where a dead body,
shame
is used for publicity.
Shame.
How shameful can this be?
Shame.
And absolutely, this is a man who's talking about his own children.
Yeah.
Here you saw Asia Andrabi's son.
Yeah.
Very westernized. And it's the same Asia Andrabi, remember on your show, Arnab, when I was there, she said, you're a bad Muslim, she told me. And she said, those girls, Kashmiri girls who are part of the pop band, are doing something wrong and they should be wearing a veil. She couldn't even work with her own child.
They're all hypocrites, Shazia.
I'm very happy for Sana Shabbir.
Shazia, you know about these.
I'm very happy. No, Arnab.
Yeah.
But to tell these children not to go to school.
Do speak up tonight. Do speak up. Speak your mind out.
You're using children as bait. You're using children as bait.
They're using children as bait.
You're using children as fodder.
They are. They want to. And I'll tell you what they do.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing, Shazia.
I'm sorry. You call them a sellout. You call them an opportunist. But they're mercenaries.
They're mercenaries.
They are hired mercenaries.
You see,
Arnab, don't be...
Correct.
Yes, they are.
No doubt.
Because this is not done.
No
Let's
doubt.
go beyond politics.
Iftikhar, stop shouting. Iftikhar is shouting again. Show him that. Iftikhar, what are you shouting about?
Saying you like this.
But this is about children.
I am not
this is about small children.
No.
The pain.
No, I'm not shouting, Arnab. I'm not shouting. I'm telling you the ground reality. The ground reality is her home minister was eager and dying to meet the Hurriyat people.
अपने बेटों को भेजेंगे आप? अपने बेटों को
Volume up, Shazia.
रानी साहब अपने बेटों को भेजेंगे?
To meet them.
बोलेंगे नहीं इफ्तिकार भाई और इनामुल if you have children, nephews, nieces, will you send them for stone pelting? आप भेजते हैं अपने बच्चों को भेजते हैं आप हुर्रियत के कितने नेता भेजते हैं सड़कों में बताइए हुर्रियत के कितने नेता
दूसरा भी चिल्ला रहा है अभी show him both in the middle
बताइए
क्या आपने एजेंडा फाइनेंस
show them in the middle. Let's get two guests on the other side.
नवाज से जाते हैं इसकी मौतें हुई हैं
आप लोगों ने
इनकी आंखें गई हैं उनको सिखाते हैं आप
उसके बारे में बात
कितने बेशरम है आप लोग बेशरम है आप लोग कोई बेहया है बिल्कुल आप लोग
इनामुल-नबी
बच्चों को इस्तेमाल
इनामुल-नबी आपको एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ
बच्चों की लाशों को जनाजों को
इनामुल-नबी आपको एक बात पूछना चाहता हूँ 1 second Inam-ul-Nabi, 1 second. Shazia, here's a question. Now you know Iftikhar Misgar, आप जब चिल्लाना बंद करेंगे, देखिए मैं आपको शट अप नहीं बोलना चाहता, मगर मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, आप चुप रहिए तो मैं आपको एक सवाल पूछूंगा. 1 second. आपने लास्ट टाइम इफ्तिखार मिसगार और इनामुल-नबी और इफ्तिखार मिसगार और इनामुल-नबी नो शाजिया
बच्चों को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, गरीब कश्मीरियों को बेवकूफ बनाते हैं और खुद पैसे कमाते हैं.
Fantastic point. You know Shazia, they have no answer to your question. Shazia, they have no answer to your question. I'll tell you why. Now you'll have to be quiet. Can you be quiet for a while and then I'll come into the debate and then Shabnam can come in. Shabnam can come in with Shazia 1 second. The question here is, I think it's a fantastic question that you have asked out here because you bring it to the moot point, and I will speak over this shouting man right now because I've had enough of this. The moot point is that there are two kinds of Kashmiris today. One kind of Kashmiri are people like Iftikhar Misgar, Inam-ul-Nabi, and certainly Shabnam Lone. All of them are, they're well off. They don't do stone pelting themselves. They have careers, they have property, they have riches. Some of them even swear by the Indian Constitution and practice as lawyers in courts. and then like absolute 100% hypocrites come and abuse the constitution in the evening on TV programs.
Snatch the passports.
Some of these people like Iftikhar Misgar, who's sitting here, let me tell you one thing about Iftikhar Misgar. Let me tell you, why do you need an Indian passport here? Go to Pakistan. Go to Pakistan. Go to Pakistan. Go to Pakistan.
I don't need it.
Go to Pakistan. Go to Pakistan. Go to Pakistan. Go to Pakistan. Yeah, go to Pakistan, Iftikhar. Really go to Pakistan. Spend some time there. Pakistan needs you. Pakistan needs you.
Go to Pakistan.
Go to Pakistan.
This is my
Pakistan needs you. Now, Pakistan needs you. My question is not about this, however. I have a question here. I'd like to do a one-on-one interview with Shabnam Lone. And I want to ask 3 or 4 questions to Shabnam Lone, and then I'll come to Sushil Pandit and John Dayal and everyone else. Now, the challenge will be that viewers now in this part, please see if Shabnam Lone answers my questions. She has 2 things. She either will give, the predictable speech, spew venom, do drama on the program, and generally appear to be very upset. Or the second option is she'll answer my question. My question is very specific. Shabnam Lone, Hindi में पूछूंगा पहले, फिर English में पूछूंगा आपको. इतने पैसे कहां से आते हैं?
जी आप कोई भी जबान इस्तेमाल
इतने नहीं ड्रामा नहीं, लेस ड्रामा. मैं ये कह रहा हूं, इतने पैसे देखिए. Now see Shazia, I told you she won't listen to the question because she does not want to answer the question anyway. My question is Shazia, so much money,
Yes.
dripping in money.
Absolutely.
Huge houses, Sushil Pandit, massive orchards, large amounts of land, flats in Vasant Vihar, multiple houses. Dekhiye, now she'll pretend she can't hear. She can hear, but she's going to pretend she can't hear. Look at the drama she's going to do, Sushil Pandit.
But you don't allow me to answer.
I have not even started my question. I will ask my question and then you will answer. I will ask my question and then you will answer, Shabnam Lone. I will ask my question and then you will answer. You're not going to be giving a speech out here. I'm not in any mood tonight to hear a speech. I'm not in any mood tonight to hear a speech, Shabnam Lone. I'm not. Don't waste my time, Shabnam Lone. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. Answer my question. Listen to me, my question. Listen to my question. I'll ask my question in 1 minute, then I give you 2 minutes to reply. Listen to my question. My question is simple. And I must not be interrupted till I ask my question. Viewers, they have so much money.
But you allow
This Azadi Brigade has so much money. They are dripping in money. They have become richer and richer over the years. Naeem Gilani has a 22,023 square meter agricultural land in Srinagar, and he has an 8-bedroom house that is about the size of Buckingham Palace in Sanat Nagar in Srinagar. Naeem Gilani, the son of that terrorist chief Gilani, has huge land and flats in Vasant Kunj and massive orchards in Sopore. 83,800 square meter quarry in Baramulla. Naeem Gilani owns a limestone quarry in Uri. How does that Syed Ali Shah Gilani, that damn traitor, how does he have a two-storied house and a school if he was not minting the bucks from this Azadi business? That shameless man. How does Gilani have a 75,785 square meter land in Srinagar and a 2-story house in Baramulla? And how do they go to London? And how do they live in USA? How do they own ranches in the USA? And how do their children attend all the 5-star rock concerts all over Western Europe? And how does Gilani, how does Hurriyat, how does Mirwais Omar Farooq have the money to be declared the richest separatist? The man has 20 shops in Lal Bazaar in Srinagar. क्या है दुकानदार है वो, कितना बड़ा दुकानदार है, आपको पता है कितने पैसे है उसके पास? And how does Naeem Gilani, who find the cash, पूछिए आज इन लोगों को, देखिए जवाब नहीं देंगे, have the cash to own orchards and become the chairman of a public school in his region? How does Yasin Malik have the money to own half of Lal Chowk? How does he own a mall? How does he own property to build a colony? How does he have a stake in housing colonies in Naugam and chains of school across Srinagar? Expose करते हैं चलिए आज इन लोगों को. और ये आज़ादी बिजनेस नहीं थी, ये तो बहुत बड़ी बिजनेस है आपकी. मगर ये ऐसी बिजनेस है ना कि खून की बिजनेस है. खून की दलाली, असली खून की दलाली ये है. मेरी बात सुनिए आप लोग, और आपको एक पूछना चाहता हूं, ऐसे भी लोग हैं जो कुछ नहीं करते शबनम लोन. मैं ऐसे लोगों को भी जानता हूं, एक्चुअली शाजिया मैं सच बोलूं, ये कुछ नहीं करते मगर हिस्टोरिकली इतना पैसा है। भाई बताइए इस सारे जो सेपरेटिस्ट है, सेपरेटिस्ट पॉलिटिशियंस है, उनके बच्चे बेटियों के पास इतना पैसा क्या है कि जो बिना काम किए उनकी लाइफस्टाइल इतनी रिच है। दे लिव लाइक अ लाइफस्टाइल बिटवीन अरब शेख्स एंड डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। और अभी शबनम लोगों को बड़ा गुस्सा आ रहा है, क्योंकि सच बोल रहा हूं ना, गुस्सा आ रहा है अभी उनको, बैठ बैठ के बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है। अभी ड्रामा भी करेंगी शाजिया, मगर एक बात का जवाब नहीं देंगी।
गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा है।
अरे दिस इज अ फैक्ट। नाउ शाजिया, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूं, शाजिया आप शबनम लोगों को क्यों नहीं पूछते कि इनकी रियल सोर्स ऑफ मनी कहां से आती है? ये सारे लोग दिल्ली में बैठते हैं, अभी देखिए शबनम लोन भी दिल्ली में बैठती है, ये कुछ नहीं करते हैं, ये बैठ के सिर्फ प्रोवोक करते हैं। पैसा कहां से आता है? और ऐसे भी फैमिलीज है। नहीं सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात। नहीं मैं कहती हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ।
But Shabnam will not tell us the truth.
अरे अर्नब जी, मुझे जवाब तो देने दीजिए ना।
आपकी ऑडियो में प्रॉब्लम है, फिर भी आई ट्राई टू इंप्रूव इट। पीपल वांट टू हियर यू टुनाइट।
आपके पास पेटेंट है क्या?
अरे पैसे कहां से आते हैं? Where does the money come from?
ऐसे चलता है, सुने।
The nation wants to know where your money comes from. The nation wants to know where the money of these Hurriyat and the spoiled children and the separatist leaders and the Azadi brigade, where their money comes from. पैसा कहां से आता है?
Got crores and crores of rupees to run Republic. आपको कहां से पैसा
you fraud. I'll answer it clear to you. No, she has to be answered. This person is a fraud, a hypocrite and a liar, and I will sue her. She's a fraud, a hypocrite and a liar. You want to know? I'll tell you clearly today. Listen to me now, please be quiet and I'll tell you.
I challenge you.
I'm telling him.
Income tax authorities.
Yes, and I say it tonight. You fraud and you liar. I say it tonight to you. You fraud and you liar. I will say it tonight that I have got private equity investment for 15% of my company. We own 85% of the shares of the company. Republic is the only channel which is owned and controlled by journalists. It is clear private equity investment, and we are a cleanest media setup in this country. And it is because frauds like you can't digest the fact that because we are not beholden to anyone like you, we can ask you the questions. Now I have told you, I have raised private equity investment, which is absolute legitimate business. I have run this company with my hard work. Me and my team work hard to build the channel. We have worked hard to get the ratings. The faith of the people of India runs the channel, and we have advertising that comes in. I have been transparent. I'll send my papers to you tomorrow. Now you tell me, आपका पैसा कहाँ से आता है? You tell me. You don't give me this insufferable foolish arguments. Don't give me your insufferable foolish arguments. एक जवाब नहीं दे पाए. You're such a fraud. You're such a fraud, Shabnam. You think that you will come on my program and ask me questions? I live my career honestly and in a straight way. Now you know what? You tell me the source of your income. Shabnam Loan, tell me the source of your income. What is the source of your income? How many cases do you do? What is the source of your family's income? What is the source of your family's income? You will pretend you can't hear. I told you.
Can I answer?
I told you I raised private equity investment, divested 15% of my company to a media investor. I run 85% of my company's shares. This is the largest group of journalists who run and manage their own channel. You want an answer? Republic is the only independent media entity in this country. You want an answer? You want an answer? This is the only organization in this country that is not controlled by corporates. You want an answer? Republic is the only organization in this country that runs only on the basis of its viewership. You want an answer? I gave you an answer, you fraud. Now you give me an answer. What is the source of your family's wealth? What is the source of your family and the separatist family's wealth? You know something, Shabnam Loan, as it is often says, you live your life transparently, you ask questions transparently, you run your business transparently, you do your journalism transparently, and you are clear in your intent and in your profession. Now you tell me, where does your money come from? You know why I can ask these questions tonight, Shabnam? Because I am a clean and straightforward journalist running a clean and straightforward setup called Republic, and we have worked hard to do this. Now you are such a person when I ask you the question, and by the way, this is the only organization whose financial investments are in the public domain. So I'm not like those organizations, we don't live off anybody's money. Now I'm asking you this question. Since we are the only independent channel in this country, country. I ask you this question now, Shabnam Lone, where does the source of the money, the immense money of the separatists and the anti-national brigade come from? Tell me. The nation wants to know. Where does the money come from?
Pakistan High Commission.
Will you allow me to
Should they
answer?
say it, Sushil?
Now let me,
Sushil, should they say? Sushil Pandit, I'm asking you.
On me.
Sushil Pandit is on the debate. Sushil Pandit, she's trying to run away now.
Arnab,
She's trying to run away now. She's trying to run away now.
There was a Hawala
She's
case
trying to
that
run away
went right up to Supreme Court.
You, Ashish Kaur.
Arnab, there was a Hawala case that went up right up to Supreme Court.
There's no Hindu-Muslim angle
And
to this.
somebody had to defend herself there.
Where does the money come from?
There was a Hawala case that went right up to Supreme Court. And someone had to defend herself there.
Who?
And someone had to take her off the hook.
Who? I don't know.
Hawala auntie knows this. Now let her explain this.
Arnab Goswami, will you allow
I
me to
ask
explain?
once again,
The
where does
cat's
the money
got a
come
tongue.
from? Now listen, General KK, I'm telling you one thing.
No, listen,
General
Arnab
KK,
Goswami,
I'm asking them, where does the money
Arnab
come from?
Goswami, you are
Where does the money come from?
Arnab Goswami,
Yeah, now I will
you are
tell you.
a stooge. How dare you allow this Kashmiri
Pakistan
state
High
to
Commission,
say Hawala
Batali,
Act?
Hawala,
You
Shabnam
are
Lone, you know,
exactly.
money comes
You
from.
are there.
And
There
what
is no
Sushil was telling,
And you owe me
he was telling
Arnab
that
Goswami, how
What is she
dare
shouting
you
about? I can't hear her audio.
Arnab Goswami is an RSS stooge. अरे जाओ, Arnab Goswami एक RSS stooge है.
Oh, come on, Sablam.
Where does the money come from?
Don't derail the debate.
Where does the money
Debate
come
is
from?
that the money comes from where?
So-
the money
so-
comes
so-
from
so by-
Pakistan High Commission.
Where do the
Batali
separatists get
gives
their
you
money
through
from?
Hawala. It is simple.
Where do the
Your
separatists get their
orchard,
money from?
Your malls.
Goswami को रिपब्लिक के लिए पैसा मिला.
I have said it clearly. Hello, you fraud. Stop shouting. 15, listen to me. Listen to me. Republic is the most transparently funded organization. So you can't answer. My papers are in the public domain. It's the most transparently funded organization, funded by journalists and run and managed by journalists. Now you fraud, you tell me. You tell me clearly. No, I'm asking you a question. Where do separatists get their money from?
Goswami, answer me.
I've already answered it. How many times do you want an answer? Now you tell me, where do the anti-nationals get their money from? You people like you will always ask stupid questions. You are asking stupid questions which have been answered 10 times and you're repeating stupid questions is the greater act of stupidity. Now I'm asking you, where do the anti-nationals get their money from?
He is being funded in.
Where does so much money come from?
Who gives the money to the lawyers in High Court? In High Court in Jammu, from where the money comes to put the fake cases,
No.
to lodge and fight.
One sec, Shazia.
Just tell me,
I'll go
from
back
where
to
you
the
get
panel.
this money?
Viewers,
The money
this
comes
is
from
one second.
Pakistan High
You see, it's
Commission.
very clear
It
out
comes
here.
through
Very clear
ISI.
out here.
Arnab,
Very
please
clear out
do
here.
not
Shazia
answer
and me
your
on the screen. One
question.
second. Shazia, one point is here.
her credentials
One point
are
is here.
very-
I said today.
Yes, Arnab,
said
Arnab,
today that the moment I ask a question about where the money comes
Arnab,
from
your
for the
work-
Hurriyat Brigade.
your
Only
work
Shazia and me,
work
please,
is
for a
known to
minute.
everybody.
I'll
And
repeat the
Shabnam's
question here.
work and work
I said it repeatedly. I said it repeatedly that the moment I ask a question about where the anti-national brigade mounts their massive fortunes from, and what has actually irritated Shabnam Lone is that I've given details of the palaces, the houses, the orchards, the flats, the quarries, the side business, the colonies, the London lifestyles, etc. of all this anti-national brigade. And when she tried to ask me a question saying, where did you get money for Republic from? I said, I raised private equity investment, completely legitimate, divested 15% of the equity, right, to a private equity investor. I control 85% of the equity of this organization. And I'm proud to say that I don't want to hear her shouting when I'm making an important point right now because she's just a distraction right now. And I've said it very clearly here. If there is one organization, and I'm only speaking to right now to Shazia, thank you very much. And I'm actually speaking to the viewer. If there is only one organization in this country today which can openly and transparently say that our financing, our work, our effort, our ratings, our advertising, and our editorial is all in the public domain. We live a completely transparent professional existence.
Well, absolutely.
And the greatest, and
Arnab,
people who follow us know this.
Arnab, I might agree or disagree. I might agree or disagree with you at times, but I can say this much. as far as your channel is concerned and your integrity is concerned, and when I say integrity, it is not just intellectual but financial integrity. It cannot be questioned.
Now the question here is...
If it is being questioned, you have given an answer.
Yeah.
All that you said is out in the public domain.
Yes, absolutely.
But Shabnam is running away.
Why is she running away?
Don't get caught.
Why is she
Don't
running
get
away?
caught
General
in a web because
Sinha,
because it's
General
very
Sinha,
difficult.
General
She's
Sinha, my
throwing-
next question to you,
she's
only General
throwing
Sinha and me on the
because
screen.
her Hurriyat cronies are getting caught.
General
It is in the
Sinha,
public domain.
General Sinha, General
From
Sinha,
Chandni Chowk, the modules.
Hurriyat cronies.
General Sinha, General Sinha, General Sinha, I'll tell you one more thing. I'll tell you one more thing. She's a distraction. Can you keep her away for a while? General Sinha, I'll tell you one more thing. When people like Shabnam Lone get so touchy, and I almost predicted this today, that the moment I start asking about where the money came from, they will scream and shout. Because it's the most touchy subject, you see, General Sinha. Where does the money come from? How do you fund your lifestyles? How do you live the life of Arab sheikhs? Where does the money come from? How do your kids all live abroad? And essentially, the money comes off killing their own.
16,000 pages report is there. The money comes from Pakistan High Commission through ISI. The modules are there in Chandni Chowk.
But why is she getting touchy about it? But why is she getting? But why is she getting touchy about it? No, but why is she getting touchy about it? I also noticed that Sushil Pandit raised the question of a certain Sushil Pandit did not name any individual. He just mentioned something about Hawala. I don't know what context it was a reference to. She freaked out. I don't know why. The reference was not to her. Why was she being jumpy about it? I don't know. It's the biggest curiosity on the program tonight. Yes, Shabnam, again you're shouting. Where does the money come from? I know my name.
No, RSS stooge, Arnab Goswami, allow me to answer. You will not have a one-word dialogue.
Why are you getting so worried tonight? You ever called the journalist who got a certificate from Hafiz Saeed stooge? You ever called the person a Hafiz Saeed stooge? Your problem is that you are confronted with people who won't take your rubbish anymore. So Shabnam Lone, you're not going to get a platform here anymore. I didn't ask you where you got your money from. I asked you. I am not even asking you where you got your money from. I'm asking you this Azadi Business Brigade, where do they get their money from? Why are they so rich? Why are they so rich?
Ask the ED. Ask the income tax
She's the daughter of a man who created the first ever terrorist organization in Kashmir. Let us say that. The first ever terror organization in Kashmir was floated by her father, late father.
I will not get into any
personal
issues.
The first batch of insurgents.
I am not getting into any personal issues. I go back to John Dayal, since I'm not discussing our father on the program right now. I'm not doing that. My question is today. My question is, I'm not discussing that today. I'm not discussing that right now. John Dayal, listen. A Kashmiri has exposed the separatist brigade. This has been done by a Kashmiri. Can you feel the exasperation in that Kashmiri's voice when he says, are you making a mockery
entirely
of the sacrifice of, are you using even dead bodies for your own publicity and your political gain? Do you feel that?
I heard that.
You heard that? So yes, is that not exposing the pathetic opportunism of the same brigade who you worship? People like you worship.
No, the Hurriyat has split in the past. The Hurriyat has split in the past. Between themselves, they disagree on most things. But that I'm not a supporter of the Hurriyat. I am a supporter.
Give me a straight answer, John Dayal. Give me a straight answer, John Dayal. No. Give me a straight answer. Give me a straight answer. I said today, where does the money of this Hurriyat brigade come from? Right? While they support the killers of Lieutenant Umar Fayaz.
I am willing.
You should give me a straight answer. Do you not feel ashamed that you can't give a straight answer as to where the money trails of the Hurriyat who you support come from, who support the killers of DSP Ayub Pandit? Where does the money come from?
What you say, Pakistan. No, I am saying that.
So the money comes from Pakistan?
For a fact, and I've read it in books, that part of the money comes from
part of the money?
India.
You have an acceptance tonight.
From Pakistan, as you're saying.
What? Why? Partly comes from Pakistan.
No. He's
It's
sure about
okay.
government of India.
It's okay. He says
He's
tonight,
right.
brilliant,
He's sure
brilliant.
about Pakistan.
Brilliant.
What a
Brilliant.
hypocrisy, John Dayal.
No, he's
Don't
sure.
be hypocrite.
He's sure about government of India, but
Because
he's
it has
slightly
come-
unsure about
Yeah,
It has
Pakistan.
come from
Partly
Mr.
comes from
Dullah.
Pakistan.
Maybe.
It has come from Indian sources.
Maybe.
That India supports Hurriyat.
Yeah,
We have
India
not denied
supports
that.
Hurriyat. What?
India has not denied that.
What?
And
You-
as you say, I believe
doesn't-
You so we have an
It is
acceptance.
coming.
I can't believe it.
Yes.
GD Bakshi,
Why
I can't
can't-
believe
yes,
it.
it is supported by
I can't
India,
believe it. GD Bakshi,
but by Azadi
GD Bakshi,
Brigade.
GD Bakshi, what's it? GD Bakshi, I thought these people
Arnab,
always said, once a month, GD Bakshi, listen,
Arnab.
how important is this program tonight? How important is this program tonight? It's terribly important. It's fantastic tonight. Because I said today that the moment I ask questions about where the money comes from, that is the real, you know what has happened today, John, today's program proves one thing,
That's the
General,
biggest irony.
But you'll never
General,
oppose
today's
it.
program
You will
proves
never
one thing.
oppose government funding of
No,
Hurriyat.
today's program proves one thing. Today's program proves that it's
Arnab.
all about MONEY for this fake Kashmiris. They are not real Kashmiris. These people who support, this is drug money, blood money,
Arnab,
gun money. These are not real Kashmiris, and Shabnam Loban is laughing tonight in frustration because she realizes the next time she goes to Kashmir, a Kashmiri will confront her and tell her you are a fake Kashmiri. You sit in Delhi, you have a lavish lifestyle in Delhi, and you clap when Kashmiris are getting killed. She knows the future.
for a minute,
GD Bakshi.
I'd like to
GD
take it
Bakshi.
back to the Hurriyat.
Go ahead, he's shouting again. Inamun Nabi, what's he shouting about?
There is a saying by Abraham Lincoln. Can I kindly have my say?
I can't hear.
I've
Please let
waited
GD Bakshi
patiently.
speak. Again she's shouting.
Okay.
Her
Now,
audio is not
Arnab,
clear. I want her audio to be
Abraham
clear.
Lincoln once said, you can fool some of the people all the time,
Yeah.
all the people some of the
Correct.
time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. The Hurriyat has just been caught out by its own Kashmiri people.
Louder.
They are sick and tired of this extortionist
Common Indian is
organization.
innocent.
I say that
This
again.
proverb should go to
I
them.
say that again.
You cannot make them fool all the
separatists
time.
come.
You
I'm
cannot
telling
lie
you,
them all the
the
time.
Hurriyat
Nation
is
doesn't
an
want to know lies.
extortionist
You are lying to
organization.
your people.
They have
You are lying
taken
to your
money
people.
from the
You are lying to your
ISI. They
people.
have taken
This
money
proverb should
from
go
the
to every
Hawala.
common
They
Indian,
have taken
innocent
money
Indian.
from
Our
the cross
brothers
LOC
there.
trade.
You
They
are
have
making
sent
them
their
fool.
children
You are fooling
to
them. You are
America,
lying
to
them.
Saudi
Nation doesn't
Arabia,
want to
to
know lies.
Malaysia.
Mr. GD
They
Bakshi,
have built
even your hands
palatial
are soaked with blood.
houses.
Even your hands are
And
soaked with
they
blood.
push the
FIR
children of the
against
poor
you
Kashmiris
for killing
to
innocent
face the
Kashmiris.
bullets.
How much
All
money
right?
you got?
That is what
How
this
much
man
money
is
you
saying.
earned out
He is
of
the
killing
only man
Kashmiris?
who's spoken
How
the
much
truth.
money you
Unlike you
earned out of
bunch
killing
of
Kashmiris?
lying
In Kishtwar,
thieves
in
and
Kupwara.
scum. That is
tell
what you
me.
are.
Nation wants to know.
This is
Nation
the
wants to
man,
know, Mr.
the
Bakshi.
one
How
Kashmiri
much money you
who
earned
has shown the
out
courage
of
to
these killings?
speak out.
Out of
You know
killing
something?
Arnab,
You know
let
something?
this man
You know
who
something?
has
GD Bakshi, can I say one thing to you, GD Bakshi? GD Bakshi, GD Bakshi, GD Bakshi, GD Bakshi, GD Bakshi. No, I will not stop asking them questions, GD Bakshi. GD Bakshi, GD. General Bakshi, General Bakshi, General Bakshi, General Bakshi. I want to say something to you, General Bakshi. Only to you, General Bakshi, and can I keep this other man out of the screen for a while? I want to say one thing to you, General Bakshi. General Bakshi, I want to say one thing to you tonight. I've known you for a long time. And if today on the same program, your and my integrity is being questioned by these people, General, these sellouts today, these sellouts, Shazia, these sellouts, General KK Sinha, these sellouts are questioning your and my integrity, General Bakshi, and I'm telling you why they question our integrity. They will not question the integrity of journalists who get a certificate from Hafiz Saeed. They will not question the pro-Hafiz Saeed brigade sitting in our country. They will question your and my integrity because they want us to stop asking questions. And I say we'll throw more questions at them. That's what we should do, Sashil Pandit. We should throw more questions at these people. We should throw more questions at them. And we should ask them whether they feel ashamed of their own duplicitous nature.
Struck their insinuations of with the utter contempt that they deserve.
Shabnam Lone, don't Shabnam Lone.
Contempt that they deserve. The Hurriyat needs to be behind the bars. They are the scourge of Kashmir. They have done enough damage, Arnab. They have done enough damage. A 1,400-page charge sheet was submitted.
No
Put
allegations.
them behind the bars. Put the stone pelters behind the bloody bars and throw the keys away.
I tell you, Kashmir will celebrate.
These are traitors with a capital T.
Kashmiris will celebrate.
Not be allowed to grace the national channels. They should not be allowed to grace the national channels and spread the separatist gospel of hate and calumny and slander every night on national TV channels. Put an end to it, Arnab.
Shabnam, Sushil Pandit.
Traitors monopolizing.
Allow me to speak.
Listen, Shabnam, listen. Hello, Shabnam, can you come to the point? I don't take this thing seriously from you. Sushil Pandit, you address Sushil Pandit. He has more than enough ammunition to take you on the program. Yeah, go on.
Yes, Sushil Pandit.
Shabnam has no answers for those questions. I said, why did she have to fight right up to Supreme Court? What were the charges against her?
Stop it! Stop
what
it!
were the charges against her?
Since you are descending to a level which is unacceptable, I will ask you to stop. Enough of this third grade language on the program. Third grade language and third grade personal things. Do not drag other people in. Do not drag other people in. This is not the quality that is expected. I mean, anyway, I have no expectations of you. Sushil Pandit, you don't stop targeting people's parents on the program. That's enough is enough from you. Shabnam Lone, be quiet and be in your place now. Enough is enough. I've given you a free run so far and I will not allow it anymore. You don't deserve it. Don't you feel ashamed that you sit here trying to skirt the question by questioning the integrity of people? Now she runs away on the program. She runs away. Look at that. The moment she's told she won't get a platform for talking rubbish, she runs away on the program. And what did we ask today? Where does the money come from? Is that not a legitimate question, John Dayal? I think it's the most legitimate question. It's the question every Kashmiri is asking today. Where does the money come from? Where does the money come from? I asked her about the lifestyle of Hurriyat leaders. Why did she freak out?
But my money comes from my wife.
Where does the money come from? Where does the money come from?
Partially comes from Pakistan.
Not mine. Mine comes entirely.
You said it comes from Pakistan.
Yeah.
You confessed.
Partially.
You said, John,
Hurriyat is supported also by the government of India.
Oh, come on.
You know that.
Come on.
You know that.
Come on.
You will
It's been admitted by
why
people.
you say that only the partial money comes? Why not the bulk of the money comes?
It's a big money. Even partial
You know,
is big.
John Dayal, it comes from the Pakistan High Commission. You
Oh,
know
yes, it does. The
comes
two
from
Kashmiri panelists in the middle.
It could be
It's
coming
come
in
through
truckloads across the
West
border.
Asia.
How do I know?
You know this. It's come from the
General, I'm
LOC
willing to
trade.
believe your word.
How can you,
But I
my
don't
question,
think it
last
comes
question
from
today is to Iftikhar and Inamun Nabi. Iftikhar and Inamun Nabi, Iftikhar and Inamun Nabi, what the point is very simple. The question is very simple. The question is very simple tonight, and it's to these two gentlemen. You know what you've done. You are selling. You are just to these two people, please. Can I not be audio interrupted, please, right now? Thank you very much. To the two gentlemen in Srinagar, please, only. Only to the two gentlemen, if possible, to put them on the screen with me so I can ask my question peacefully to them. You know, how does it feel today, Iftikhar Misgar and Inamun Nabi? You are knowingly selling Kashmiri blood to Pakistan. You are both knowingly selling or supporting those who sell Kashmiri blood to Pakistan. You know that and still you'll do it, right?
Shall I answer? Shall I answer now? Shall I answer, Arnab? Arnab, let me tell you one thing. The drama what you are posing since morning on your channel will put you in chaos.
In what?
Because it is only Hurriyat whom you will talk today or tomorrow. If you will try to sideline Hurriyat,
Who the hell is the Hurriyat, yeah?
End up in
Who the hell is the Hurriyat?
We are not with Pakistan.
You are on their payrolls, I'm
We
not.
are not with India.
You
They
sell
are good
Kashmiri
neighbors.
blood to
Both the
Pakistan, and if you don't, you
countries are
support
good
those who do
neighbors.
that.
Apart from you,
In Amu Nabi, it's you who've been exposed today.
killing us.
And tonight, remember viewers, I only ask them one question: where does the money come from?
Determination to be done.
The straight questions always make people uncomfortable. I thank you for joining me on debate number 1, big debate on the Hafiz Saeed comment of Sambit Patra is joining us live on the other side tonight. See you in a few minutes. The debate is on.